Hi guys, now we are going to discuss about diagonalization from the chapter eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Here P is equal to x1, x2, x3. This is the model matrix where x1, x2, x3 are the eigenvectors corresponding to the eigenvalues lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3. These lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the eigenvalues. From this we can get the eigenvectors x1, x2, x3. So to perform a diagonal matrix, we need to perform an equation which is nothing but D is equal to P inverse into A into P. Here P is nothing but a model matrix, and P inverse which is the inverse of the model matrix. So here is an example. Diagonalize matrix A 1 0 minus 1 1 2 1 2 2 3. So A minus lambda I, this is nothing but a characteristic matrix. From this we can get a characteristic equation that is nothing but mod A minus lambda I is equal to 0. This is a characteristic equation. If we perform a characteristic equation, here is the characteristic equation. From this we can get a equation lambda cube minus 6 lambda square plus 11 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. After solving this equation by using calculator, we can get the roots which are nothing but eigen values. So by taking help of calculator, we can find the eigen values of a given equation, that is nothing but characteristic equation. Now go to mode and select the equation, that is nothing but 5, and select the degree of equation, that is cubic equation, that is 4. Now enter the coefficients. 1 is equal to minus 6 is equal to 11 is equal to minus 6 is equal to, again is equal to. Here we get the eigenvalues, that is x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 2. 1 2 3. So lambda 1 is equal to 1, lambda 2 is equal to 2, lambda 3 is equal to 3. These three are the eigenvalues which we get from the equation, which is nothing but characteristic equation. So after finding eigenvalues, we can also find the eigenvectors, that is x1 is equal to 1 minus 1 0, which is a eigenvector corresponding to lambda 1 is equal to 1, and x2 is equal to minus 1 1 2 is a eigenvector corresponding to lambda 2 is equal to 2, and x3 is equal to minus 1 1 2, which is the eigenvector corresponding to lambda 3 is equal to 3. These three are the eigenvectors corresponding to their eigenvalues. So P is equal to x1 x2 x3. This is a model matrix that is combining three eigenvectors, that is x1 is equal to 1 minus 1 0, that is nothing but x1 eigenvector, and minus 2 1 2, this is second eigenvector, minus 1 1 2, this is third eigenvector. So this is a model matrix. So to find P inverse for the P matrix by using calculator, we can perform that is 1 is equal to minus 2 is equal to minus 1 is equal to minus 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 1 is equal to 0 is equal to 2 is equal to 2 is equal to, then go back on. Now shift 4 matrix, that is matrix A 3. Now we can find inverse, that is matrix A inverse is equal to, we can get the P inverse, that is 0 minus 1 0.5, that is nothing but 1 by 2, and minus 1 0. So we can get the P inverse matrix from by using calculator. Now after getting P inverse, to find the diagonal matrix, we have to perform D is equal to P inverse into A into P. P is a model matrix, P inverse is a inverse of the P, and A into A, which is in the question. D is equal to, this is P inverse, this is A matrix, and this is P. After multiplying these, we can get the diagonal matrix, which is 1 0 0 0 2 1 0 0 3. This is a required diagonal matrix.